So, welcome guys. This is another day in the live. Alton.
What now, man?
Just come back from foreign. I love the friend Navlet is doing her thing over there. So, listen, here's what I'm gonna cook today, right? I'm gonna cook today. I'm gonna work out. After I cook, I'm gonna go work out. Alright? So just come back from foreign, and I'm first time in the kitchen after I come back from foreign. Oh my god. It's different. It's different out here in Jamaica. It's nothing normal. Alright? So I am not a normal person. I'm a chef. And I'm also an actor. I'm a rapper. Fresh off the plane. Coke on my gold watch, my gold chain. Go! I don't know. Hey, I'm so rap. I'm ready. I'm free up and relax. I'm gonna get some weed and some. I'm going normal idea. Normal dog. You see me? So, shit. Yo. If something up on the fire, dog, you know what I'm saying? Come on, dog. Come on, we're going to the kitchen. No. Wait, come. Wait, come. Welcome to Alton's cooking. Yeah, Alton's creative cooking. See? So today, cook some curry chicken. We'll burn the curry. See? Burn the curry. Season up the chicken already. Chicken seasoned up already and thing. Go on normal, put it in the fridge already. Make it go on normal. You see me? This is how me, this is my way of cooking the curry chicken. I'm gonna put the seasoning on it. Hold on.
I'm sorry, I'll try harder.
We need a new phone. You know. Yeah, hello? So yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, we're gonna put the seasoning on it in the pot one time. Okay? I'm gonna put this seasoning in the same time. Sorry, I told me the death on the phone a while ago and the pot is kind of like on the fire so long, okay? So we good still, we good, let's see, better food. Curry chicken, Yardman Alton style. Yardman curry chicken. Yardman king. So, we need a new phone, John. Watch out. Yeah, hello? Probably we only have some now. Alright, we're going to some. Hold on. We'll come out of the kitchen. Just put the pot down. Alright, so if I go and do your thing now, you have to fry out the raw water out of the chicken first. You see me? So if I go and do your thing now, so now run this up, make a call and come back and then show me the whole recipe. See? So Alton I cook today. Yeah, Alton I cook today. So just one normal. This is a Yardman thing, Jamaican style curry chicken. See? This is gonna be curry pumpkin chicken. This is the recipe. You know, I never see this yet, but when you come back, show no what I'm going. Just come back from foreign, see me see there. Just come back. So in the kitchen, I go and normally see it, I go and cook out the little raw water out of it before I put the seasoning them in it. You see me? I cook out the little raw water out of it. Because I know we are Indian now, so we have to know how to cook the curry, right? You see me? This is my version. I'm cooking the curry. Then I will cut up the seasoning them and put on it the pot with the dumpling them and eat. Alright, so the dumpling now. You don't know anyone, but I make it go and cook and then come back. So forward back again. You see me? Go on normal. You see me? It's about Alton, rapper Alton in the kitchen. Oh, spicy. Oh my god. Wait. Pepper. Oh, pepper. Oh, I forget the pepper. Cannot forget the pepper, man. I cook curry. I cook curry, you can't forget the pepper. Can't forget the pepper, man. Can't forget the pepper. Wait there. Yeah. Cannot forget the pepper. Alright, so yeah, make them go on normal. Smell that already? My God. Normal in all that in the kitchen, you know. You see me? It's not a normal. You see me, a chef and everything. And me a chef of things today. Kind of hot still. You see me? So, yeah. What else? Alright, so I'm cooking food now and then. I'll go over there. I'll get some exercise done. Because I know we have to stay fit. Sexy. You see me? Can't so. Woogie, fat, fat. No. When you're a rapper, you have to. So the thing you see, this is my chain. We get that one about 30,000 US. This one about. So it's an Escalade chain. It's very custom. This one is very custom. This one you know. So one from Dubai. I get that one from Dubai. When I princess them from Dubai buy me that one. This is now. This is my guard up. This is my guard up. This is now guard me up. You see me? Well lock up. You see me? I'm not normal. Lock up in the kitchen. You see me? You see when you're an artist, you have to lock up yourself. So I lock up. You see me? Guard up. Not normal. Alton there, man. Not normal, man. You see me? So remember to subscribe. See, as you come on the channel, you have to subscribe, man. I watch the video them to the end. Cause the nice part, they always you know, I always put them at the nice end. The nice part, then put them at the end of the video. You see me? Yeah. So, yeah. So come back. So, yeah, you get the pumpkin, cut up the pumpkin, wash it off. So you just cut them up in a little something like this. Make it go on normal. So when you're ready for throw it in, you season them in the pot. Yeah, you know, say, you're ready. I don't know how I cook it, if a rice or a dumpling, but probably cook rice. Sweet pepper, I love sweet pepper, so. I don't really eat seasoning, but I eat the sweet pepper and the tomato and this. But if you eat them in your curry, you can do it. But me not do it. See me? So, yeah. Fresh off the plane, cooking some curry chicken in a Jamaica, jump down. I can't rap, but me I find some lyrics, put them together cause that's how the thing come down. Oh man, find it! Oh, that's how to get my onion, even though I'm not eating it. Knife and dull, man. It's a new knife. Knife and dull. Need to get this on new knife. So. As soon as the food are done, I go over the golf. As soon as the food are done, I go over the golf course, go exercise. Exercise. Leave and eat yet. So cook. Go over there, go exercise. You see me? Make sure say everybody good first. And then we just go over there, go on to a lot of things. I will be able to go to trainer coming to them. Nika's World on YouTube. Yeah, my trainer. She's here today, so she's gonna start our first training session today. Because you know boy have to get fit and keep in shape. Alright. should be good. So, yeah. Check back on this. Oh my god, it's burning up. I lie now, but not man. See? So you see? You fry it down until you see it fry out all of the raw water what it in there, see? You fry out all of the raw water that was inside of it. So now you can get your now it's ready for this. Ready for this now. So you just get a little bit of water, you don't get enough. Don't get a lot of water. Yeah. You don't get a lot of water. Just throw it in there. Just throw it in there. This is a real yard man thing, you know. Yard man style. Alright. So this is it. The yard man thing. That's how the yard man thing comes up. That should be good. That should be good. So you get the water, you lock it down, pick one normal. So now I'm gonna need some rice. Rice. Some rice. You know, when you wash the rice, you have to get like a fab. You have to get like a fab at the same time because you know your rice they come from China, so you kind of pull out a bag across. You have to use the SKD fab. This is the right fab to use, right? Use the use the fab. And you can use the little Ariel one or the Breeze, them one they give that nice little flavor. I'm not going to show you how I wash it really still, isn't it? But you have to use it and wash it. I'm not showing you how come. I'm not showing them the recipe. I'm not showing them the recipe, my secret recipe that. You see me? So yeah, I think you want more rice. Look at more good. No more rice? No more rice? Rice? Alright, yeah. That should be good. So yeah, we're cooking today. Yo, Akin, yeah, try.
I just run come catch my quick plate, my boss and come out there to them. Is that none from man?
Yeah man, just grab one of them plate there and go. Grab and go in there.
How much flour you gonna use?
I'm gonna cook brother. I'm gonna share.
How cook?
I think that food is corn and I cook it or not.
Oh, so you mash up the pot now?
Yeah, I cook yard man style today.
That's some visuals in there now for people.
Yeah. So you have to wash the rice. Remember if you put the fab in the rice, guys. Remember to put the fab in the rice. Don't really follow me guys, psych. But yeah. See? Use it. Wash it. Wash the rice. I want dirty rice. Dirty rice makes pluck of rice. When rice dirty, pluck of. So yeah, clean as we go. Clean as you go, guys. Clean as you go. Right, so let me just light it. Right. Down the pot, make it one normal. Then you add your salt. If you want to add, you have to add a lot of it. Just add a little bit of salt. So, I'm not going to tell you to throw 1 teaspoon. Just throw salt until your ancestors then tell you to stop. That's what I did. Alright? So, salt. I don't want them to take up nothing but not take up no gun, you know. So this what this look like. It looks so. You can't bust.
No.
I don't want them to take up no gun, you know, a young youth, you know. I don't like them.
Nice one. Alright.
A nice piece of rifle, boy, a bust to, you know. But hey, no better mind police for you. Careful of them holes down there, so with the air.
Yeah.
The air, Papa.
I'm here to drive right now, yeah.
Alright, come on, here.
Aye.
Nobody mind on the earth on yourself.
That's expensive.
Oh, you mean? So we are rapper, you think we normal, boy, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going like, should we come from far and come? Give me peace, give me peace, give me peace. What that thing? Yard man thing, you know what I'm saying? We come from far and I'm no dog. Yard man style. Can't some guys come, give me peace more, give me peace more. Give me peace more. Come now man, give me peace like that, no? Peace like that. Peace like that, hey. Listen, we think we can manage it. No matter, just take time with me. Just take time with me because this is my first workout. I never really got them workout session yet, but see, we can lead it. So,
But
yeah.
you're very lazy.
Yeah, she's my trainer. She's from, I know.
Too fine.
Yeah, sorry. Just step here.
Okay.
Feel like courage, yo.
Courage bite you.
Yes, brother. Look at this guy. If Stucky was a person, look at him here.
This is the road to my fitness. So she is the trainer.
So look at me. This mom look. I think you fit on me.
She fierce, guys.
Probably.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
She fierce, too.
Okay. So you use look to define fitness.
No, I don't.
Okay. Ready again.
How much you do?
5, sir?
5.
Yes.
Ready? Set. Go. One more. Wait, come back. Come back. Come again. Ready?
Set. Go. You mean you have to run? Gosh.
The first time and she had tried to kill me. She had tried to kill me, guys.
That was our stride out. So we're going to do some stretches now. Up on your toes.
So we come over here and get water.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
down.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Up.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
You're gonna burst it. Back. In. I look to the sky like we're in a fall, close your eyes. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10.
forward. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Touch it now.
Ah! 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 You're trying to kill me now.
10 more.
I can't put it. Rape! 10 more.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Make sure it's in here.
So, we go train and come back. So I go and share food them now. You see me? Yeah, food ready. Share some food. Yeah. No butter never there in our rice, so we have to put cooking oil in there, but it's tough. I don't like that. No butter not over. No butter not over shop. I know we not talk over pot when we have share. Really hard man thing, everybody I get some. So, Miss Navi, we're over there in Florida. Yeah. Miss Navi, big up yourself. Big up Neville Reed, Newton Reed, Miss Navlet Reed. One of them people are eating now. That's that. No talking in the camera. Pull up the door there. We don't want that noise. Get up though. People who can't cook?
Yes.
Jaffy back cover? What do you mean Jaffy?
That's how you just do it. I'm sure, yeah? Yes.
People who can't cook to that? Someone supposed to go?
Right.
The man, more people don't sit in the kitchen and cook. Come on, say man. Food ready! Food ready! The man, shit, I'm gonna clean up that. People must know say food I cook. When we have tea for meat out of pot, we take time and wrap it up. We have tea for the meat. You never do them something? Eh?
Yes.
You never like tea for the meat out of the pot. Like I have to take that time
You know, say a professional.
I'm just a tea for me, man.
Miss June did say she wants some food here, so make sure you share.
Alright, Miss June.
Yes.
Oh. No food there, man, Miss June.
And she said make sure say gravy rich. Like your chain.
I mean, gravy rich like my chain. Curry chicken in the kitchen. This is not my best curry pumpkin chicken. The stove no good. Stove there, guys. Not so bossy. New stove. taste it. Don't taste.
What the rice taste so?
Don't taste.
Like fab.
Tastes like fab.
Yeah.
Probably too much in there and wash
I
it.
don't want it.
Wait, not tell nobody say no fab in there, man. Just make me taste it. A fine rice. You know, so when fine rice come down, it tastes like fab.
I never know.
Then they never get by with no fine rice.
No?
Eh? Sorry, them will give them their food.
Lord.
Eh?
Here down the place.
So like how I exercise 3 times a day, I need to play golf with the other 2 of them.
Probably.
Yeah.
Rest is very important.
Yeah, probably on a Sunday we need to come and play golf in a dog. We live in Jammiwood now, you know. This is like the start of Jamaica movie industry. So all the stars need to start playing golf. You understand? Yeah?
Rich man sport.
Rich man sport. We're celebrities, so we need to act as such.
Okay.
Right, Nika?
Right.
And she is a top trainer. So our YouTube link over there now down there, so you can follow it, subscribe and something there. Because she's good. She fierce to do it, but she's good, she's effective. Just because I feel them already, you know, I feel them in her, so I just need to stop being lazy, as she said, and get it done.
And being more disciplined, you know?
Yeah.
Discipline is a must.
I like that, because at the end of the day, it don't make no sense to get up every day and just eat and just, you have to stay fit.
Big and fat.
Yeah, I don't want to be big and fat.
Okay.
I did fat already, I'm come down. Just need to take off this. You see me?
Okay, what do you mean
Because
by come down though?
I have a movie I come up and I need to have to look good. 50
And you
shades.
said you have a show? What type of show?
50 Shades of Alton.
Okay.
Yeah, that movie there. I can't go down then. I can't take off my shirt and no movie down big 1 pack. That don't make no sense. No movie and no 1 pack. You have to get one nice little female and do that movie there. 50 Shades of Alton. I want to say, who ready for it? Tell me. Ladies, tell me if you're ready for that movie there. Because ready, you know. For summer, it can be a summer thing. You understand? Ready?
But for summer, you have to have a summer body.
Yeah, so that's why I hire you to be my trainer.
Okay.
So, welcome Nika to the team, guys. Right?
Woo!
Hooray! 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 Hey! Hey! Hey!
What's your hourly charge?
We think, eh? No, we can't disclose our charge because it's expensive. We can't put that for camera.
Oh,
If you want, sorry to be a trainer, just DM her.
Smart.
She have an Instagram, she have a YouTube, follow her YouTube, watch her YouTube. So what we are going to do now? We're there right now.
YouTube is Nika World. And Facebook.
Hold on. Alright, face the camera.
Okay.
No.
So my Instagram is Nika World. And my Facebook is Shorty. And my other Facebook, I don't do it yet because I reached the limit. I have 5,000 friends on Facebook. But don't worry, as time go by, you guys will know. So stay tuned for the next part of the video.
Stand up and give people them a 360, make them see the body of a fitness person. Yeah, 360. Alright.
Hey! No artists in Jamaica now, we chain them and value them, now them are chain them. You must say, look at this. Power, look at this. And how much money for me chain? Look at this. Watch out. Never, this a chain I can't rusty. See me? How much is this? I think up at Dana, nobody can go up at Dana and go gear up like how me gear up now. Look at this. Can't gear up like up. What's the mad? How much money for me chain them? Hey, are you drop me BMW chain on the ground? Can't drop me BMW chain on the ground. How much of my BMW chain? I'm a luxury. Catch them. What's the way I do that now?
Alright, Alton. Mr. Alton guard. So we're going to do some launches.
What's this launch?
Check on the Careful. Down.
Me a go on good?
Yes, man. Back straight.
Straight back.
Yes.
Straight back.
Over.
Yeah, boy,
Stop
them
at
a
the
rock the
flowers.
whole line with the place here. Eh?
Stop my flowers. Go on, man. Go on, go on.
Oh, tapa?
Yes.
So we ready, dad? My God. So we ready, dad? Boy. So we ready?
Down.
Down?
Yes. All right. Turn around and come back.
Same way?
Yes.
Oh, God. So?
Yes, mom. Make sure the girl them a run you down. You can run.
True. So true.
Sit more long for the boy to look. Down, down, ready. Lazy, man, lazy.
Guys in a hot, yo. Hey, yes, I feel it. I feel it in place, yeah? Yes, sir? Feel like I lose 20 pounds. Wait. I think it easy being Alton. My God, ready? 1, 2. Remember to subscribe. Zin, another day in the life of Alton. Then, it's not easy. It's not as easy as it looks. She's facey, but she's effective. What else? That's it?
Squat.
Squat. Squats. What is squats again? What is squats? Wait, wipe off the lens. Wipe off the lens. Wipe off the lens. Okay. Squats. What is squats?
You know you're a good man. But you're not easy.
Where you go? So?
Yes, back straight. Toe point. Remember, always be on the ball of your toe.
So?
Yes, Alton.
How much?
15.
15. Gone 2 already?
No, none.
None?
You just do that for God.
You got? Alright, got that a few.
Alright, do 10 for your coach and 5 for yourself.
Alright. 1.
Carry hand them low.
So?
Yeah. Arms
How much
length.
you got already?
None. So just do that for your cameraman then.
So?
Yes.
20 or 5 or 15 push-ups.
Yes. And do it manly and properly.
Yeah, we don't want to laugh.
Ready, down, shut up.
Which angle are you from? 15.
Head straight.
Hold on, what kind of? No, boss. Go. Ready now? How much you do again?
15.
15.
Why? We don't mind. Come like you're the something high.
Yeah, you can't do it. You can't go in the fall.
Let's go fight up with it now.
To the boy, man.
See all the phone with up there. You see a bag of things are going.
The 15 push-up can do a long time. Ready,
1,
ready.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yo, may I work out for a morning, dog?
I would just hope that this a record.